Hello all and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make this beans and yam porridge, and I hope that you're gonna like it. It's not a very detailed one, but I think that it's detailed enough for you to try out. So let's get right into the video. Our food is ready. I hope this inspired you enough to want to try out this recipe. Before I leave, I want to say thank you for 2018 and I wish you a prosperous 2019. Let me know if you need a detailed video of this recipe in the comment section by saying yay. Until next time, when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye bye.